Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
One, two, 1 million, 3 million, 4 million.
Hi, Thomas.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Thomas. I'm good.
Last night, when I posted that article or the news that broke the internet about the bombing or shelling of that hospital, I was very hesitant. I didn't really know that actually that Reuters was this fucking fast.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello. So I was a bit hesitant to post analysis. I entered into buy, but with 2.5 lots or 3 lots. And actually, I was like, okay, I'm gonna set the stop loss. And next morning, I woke up like plus 200 pips. So Reuters, if you guys don't have the application on your phone, I highly recommend it to download, because it wasn't the first time that Reuters was actually very good and fast in terms of reporting news, which they get first-handedly. So if you have an iOS or I think in all smartphones you can download the Reuters application. If you haven't done it, do it now. It's worth it. It's even faster.
Can you say that again? Application name?
Reuters. Thomson Reuters. Well, it's Reuters now, not Thomson Reuters.
-2.
No, it's not a paid ad. It's actually a free application. Reuters is one of the best news sources, impartial news sources. They only reporting the facts, and this is what Reuters is famous about. They don't take any sides. They only report the facts. I used to work for Thomson Reuters for the financial side because they have a similar platform like Bloomberg. It used to be called Icon. And it is very, very good in terms of reporting news.
You entered another buy?
Yes. So I posted it in Discord just now. It's very high to buy, so I only entered with 2.5 lots, nothing crazy. Because it's too high to buy, too bullish to sell, as I famously say. But sometimes you need to buy high.
Yes.
Many people are shorting at the top. I buy at the top.
sometimes it makes sense because the market is driven by the war situation in Gaza. And in the past, when you watch the 4-hour time frame, we have a strong resistance at the 1947 to 1952 level,
Yeah.
Thomas, on the H4. And normally, we see we have to see a small retracement or a pullback, but this situation, it's everything is possible. In the buy, obviously.
Indeed. Yeah, everything is possible.
Yesterday, this motherfucker gold stopped me out and then go down to the 1919.
Yeah, but yesterday was disgusting.
Crazy,
Those of
man.
you who don't know what was yesterday was this consolidation right here, and that was just awful. I mean, let me show you in TradingView. It's much better, easier to see. So yesterday, I was in a buy with the team because we had that big ass wedge on the chart, and I was like, it must break to the upside. It did break to the upside. I had the plan, if it retests, then I'm going to buy more. But during the retail sales data, which came out super inflationary, I ignored the war and focused on economics. And yes, the Chinese data came out strong as well. So I ignored the war and focused on, okay, so the market should normalize now. So that range was actually 140 pips, and the price was ranging, well, it was whiplashing, and then it retested perfectly exactly to the daily pivot and 7-day-6, and boom, flew high 200 pips.
You stopped me out with 2 pips, man.
How is your funded account going?
I'm very good. I'm very good because I give yesterday the stop loss. It costs me $600, and I'm 200 down on the account. But
is it 100k?
It's no, it's a 100k account. $200. I'm down $200.
Ah, okay, good.
It's easy. It's easy because yesterday I had a fantastic day, and the stop loss. I trade with you the sell, and they stopped me out and go down and.
Yeah, we have those days, but most important is you treat. What is your account size?
100k FKMO swing.
It's almost 0.5%.
Yeah, but treat it as your max drawdown. That's your actual account size. It's not 100k.
Yes, I know.
It's 10k. 10k.
It's 10k. I reduce my risk, you know.
Today, no news. I'm rolling.
Oh, yeah, because you have the you're not allowed to trade news.
No, I am allowed to trade news.
No,
I
Ricardo.
have a swing account.
Ricardo, he's not
No, I
allowed.
have to
sorry.
wait 2 minutes. 2 minutes after the news.
Sorry, Ricardo. Sorry.
But it's okay. It's okay. I blow a few accounts on news, so it's okay.
All right, we're running in 21 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen, on the second entry, which was posted in Discord 20 minutes ago, something like that.
I'm with you.
Yeehaw.
Bye, Altrada.
Habibi.
23 pips. Okay. That's very good. 30 pips.
Hello.
I'm back, baby. Oh, Miss Hoystons. BB Hoystons. How are you?
Hastings, actually.
Mrs. Miss.
Now
Mrs.
Mrs.
Oh, damn it. They take away the good ones all the time. And what it's like the parking spots. The good ones are always taken, and what we're left with is the disabled ones.
well. I hope everyone is well.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yo, Mr. Thomas, how you doing, boss?
Luis.
It's been a while, yes. Yeah. It's been, I don't know, 2 weeks and a half since I don't come here. Too many
What
shit
happened
is
to you?
happening. I don't know. Just my family business have a lot of shitty happenings. And
I hope it's okay.
yeah. And I overslept most of the days. I was so tired.
Oh.
Yeah. And it was
So you
a
need a hug.
pretty stupid sell 2 weeks ago, and I followed my mind,
Mm-hmm.
and I didn't catch the trade, and my mind was so bad. And,
Oh man.
and yeah, just day by day. Let's go.
You need to grind. If you give up on one, I mean, 1 or 2 losing trades shouldn't affect your overall profitability, unless it's a funded account. That's
Yeah.
but even that funded account, you shouldn't. If you manage risk, you should be fine. I had a bad day yesterday. I was up 4k. Closed
I
the
saw
day.
it. I saw it.
Closed
Yeah.
the day with 500, and thanks God to this Reuters application, I got the news that there was a bombing of hospital. I entered into long, and then I made much more than what was.
I am the Gaza hospital. Yeah.
Yep.
I saw it.
They said they won't do it. It's not. This is inside job.
To be honest, I don't want to go into speculations and all kind of theories, but even the attack of the music festival was a bit
They are all
shady.
Wrong, all wrong, both sides.
Shady. I mean, apparently the parachutes. I'm not saying this happened, but there was a theory that the parachutes had to fly through the actual border, and Israel's border is one of the most secured in the whole world. How is that possible?
This is all too strange for me, man.
But can anyone confirm that the parachutes, the terrorists had to fly through, jump out of the plane and fly through?
They saw everything and they didn't see this.
It's a big discussion. I think they need
They want this attack so badly, man.
they need
They
a
want-
reason to attack the Palestinians.
Yes, they want
This
it.
is
They
political is the biggest
want
mafia on earth. It's the same like COVID or Russian and Ukrainian, and
They want
I
it so
support
bad.
peace, and this is horrible, in my opinion.
This is very awkward because actually this is all Palestine country. So a few years ago, Israel take a part of the country. So I don't know.
It's fucked up.
This is
The other
very
fucked up
strange.
thing is that, you know, all Arabic countries, they close the borders to the refugees and expect non-Arabic countries to accept refugees and send humanitarian aids. I mean, come on. But
Yeah,
anyway,
but they're not even allowing the humanitarian aids in at the moment. That's what's
Sorry?
messed up. They're not
They're not?
allowing the humanitarian aids in.
well, Arab countries,
They're not allowing help in.
who's not allowing the aids?
Gaza's
Egypt.
locked off. Yeah. The Arabic countries as well. It's from both sides. It's just complete bullshit.
Come on, shouldn't they, aren't they brothers and sisters? All one religion? I mean, this
Yeah,
is
but-
fucked up.
It is. It's absolutely devastating. When I heard Marwan speak yesterday, I got so upset because his voice was just like so down. And I felt so hurt for him as well.
I miss Trump's era, man. Market's so good. Everything is cool. We need the market to go up. Eat with
Yeah.
something.
It's Donald Pump.
Donald Trump.
Okay, running in 27 pips. Nothing crazy, but modest. What's the news? What's the name of the news app? It's Reuters. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. That gave me 200 pips yesterday. I mean, Reuters is very good. I mean, they have thousands of journalists all around the world. Bloomberg has around 2,700 journalists globally. Reuters has way more. Because obviously they're reporting on a much broader variety of news than Bloomberg. Bloomberg is mostly financial.
Good morning, Thomas.
Hello, George. How is you?
Yeah. You is good. I'm
Very
good. Thomas, there is something I cannot understand. I went over to 5 things I think you need to know on Bloomberg, and it talks about the geopolitical risk. It said the data is flat. U.S. stock futures are lower, and treasury yields and treasuries and gold are rising amid a risk-off mood. Now, this is what that confuses me. I thought as the treasury yield, for example, increases, gold supposed to be dropping, but yeah, it says that treasuries and gold are rising. So I'm kind of confused.
Did you attend the morning briefing, brother?
Oh no.
No.
That was about 2 o'clock in the morning here, man. But I was deep in sleep.
You were sleeping during the morning briefing where I explained the correlation breakdown between yields and gold? Oh,
what
man.
What I mean too much.
I know how do you mean. You slept over.
That's about 2 a.m. over here, Thomas.
Yeah, but that's just a number. What's more important, attending the morning briefings or having your 8-hour sleep?
No, sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I overslept as well. But when I wake up in the morning, I usually go all the video. And early in the morning, but I woke up late today.
It's okay, it's okay. So basically what's happening if you look at the screen?
Just
on my chart.
Okay, yeah.
What's happening is we have yields on the right hand side and gold on the left hand side. The red rectangle or the red box represents the previous year-to-date high. So back in March it was 5.1%. It tested twice, 3 times, actually broke higher to 5.1%. But yesterday, because the retail sales data came out so freaking strong, I believe everyone understands what was the retail sales data outcome in the US. It was very inflationary, and hence the yields shoot up to 5.2%, 5.24%, which is the highest year to date. Actually, it is the highest for 17 years. When yields are rising in normal market condition, when there is no war, nothing else, it signals that the Fed is, because what actually represents the short end of the yield curve, namely the 2-year bond yields, this one here, represents the interest rate expectation from the Fed and also the inflation expectation. This is the risk premium that investors want, the premium for their money, because bond is essentially an IOU. The government promises to pay you coupon payments, interest rate, plus they promise to pay back the face value at the end of the maturity. So long story short, Yields have shot up to 17-year high yesterday because of the retail sales data. And if there was no war, gold would have dropped 300, 400 pips easily. But yesterday, you can see on the left and the right hand side of the chart that gold and yields are going up at the same time. The reason for this phenomenon is simply the war. That's it. There's no other explanation. You can't do anything with it. The correlation is now perfectly elastic. That means that if you've seen the last 3 most important economic data releases, PPI, CPI, and retail sales, gold does react normally. The way, retail sales and CPI came at inflationary, gold dropped 100 pips, but then it moved up 300 pips. That means the market is shaking off in terms of gold. There is a risk off mode. Hence, gold is rising with the yields. That is why the correlation has broken down. And I just spotted another opportunity.
Good afternoon, Thomas.
Hello, Becky.
How are you doing?
Not too bad.
Thomas,
not too bad.
I've just entered Doom. Can I enter now as well?
To the Zoom. You can enter anytime if you want in the Zoom.
No, not Zoom. Can I open by position? I've just seen your position.
It's up to you. It's very risky, so I highlighted that it is very risky.
Yeah.
It's up to you, brother. I'm in. You can enter.
Thank you.
Depending on your circumstances. I just spotted something on GBP, Japanese yen. If there is no intervention, GBP should strengthen a little bit against keep it tight. Yes. GJ, I'm entering into long. Let's switch to DAS trading view. Let's see. Oh, it's too much. I need to cut back on the position a little bit. I'm gonna take one lot off. And then targeting the previous high. If that works out, it's going to be a very, very generous day.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Musab. Okay. So that's GJ. Actually, I have only 2 positions in gold and GJ.
What a pivot point on GJ.
Indeed. Doesn't it have any application or indicator for pivots?
I don't.
What the fuck is this music? Oh, forgot to post the analysis into Discord. Alright, GJ is running in 3 pips. Gold pulled back to 3 pips. stupid me didn't lock any profits. But on the lower position, I'm going to take profit now because we have some data coming out. It isn't going to much affect the market, but 2k is 2k, so I'm going to take 0.80% of the profit. Those of you who'd like to join the Alpha community, look to your right in the YouTube chat. I'm posting the link. That is your opportunity out from poverty. No, I'm just kidding. If you want to learn more about economics, macroeconomics, if you want to learn what moves the markets, this is your opportunity. Rami Roman is asking, where is the TP? Ask your bank account, brother. It's personal. If you're scalping, TP should be tighter. If you're swinging, maybe a bit wider. But, you know, at this market condition, don't ask me where to put the stop loss on TP. You decide. If you make money, even just 10 or 20 pips, get the fuck out of the market, seriously. It's anytime the market can crash, anytime the market can pump. So I don't want to be holding hands and telling anyone, you all adults, where to take profit or where to put the stop loss. It's personal. So far so good. 30 pips on gold, 5 pips on GJ. Wow, oh, unbelievable, 5 pips. Marwan Khalil is asking about the pip counter indicator. If you look in my left hand side where the navigator is, at the indicators tab, you can see it's blue digits FX open trades. Oh wow, Pankai just passed his 25k challenge today after losing 8 accounts. Congratulations, brother.
Looks like me.
Our position is running in 40 pips profit now.
I lost 7 challenge for the past year. I've been counting. 7. This is bad.
But you had a... Did you pass any?
2 of them, yeah.
And you lost them?
No, I still have 1.
There you go, brother.
And yesterday, no, 2 days ago, I passed the phase 1 of another one.
Mm-hmm.
And you remember that phase, the forex funds went down, GTF went down, and I had counts all over the place. And they went down, and I was so mad at the time.
It's not impossible to gain it back. It's just, I think, because many people are forgetting exactly what we talked about, that 100k account isn't 100k, and it's tough to trade on funded accounts and challenge accounts, because it's not easy, but it's not impossible. You need to have you looked into why did you lose those accounts?
No, I'm saying, yeah, I know. How do I lose the first? I know the first was I was so greedy. I know a lot of situations, but I got the count of 25k on Thunder account on the company that went down, and that crashed my mind,
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not all most of the time playing a word with FTMO. Most of the time I'm just in my little accounts and not on focus on FTMO or
maybe
funded
that's
account.
that can mess up psychology when you
it's
trading
different
on your
play.
own account. It's complete. I think when you're trading on personal account and challenge account, I think it's two completely different accounts, unless you have a 10k account real minimum.
Not yet. I'm overplaying for 1,000, 2,000, 500 accounts.
I find that most people are over leveraging on real accounts.
Yep. Most of the time, over the years I've been losing the most accounts that I lost was was risk management, or the trades that I overload, or too much trades, or wasn't about the economics, wasn't about what I knew, it wasn't really about the risk management.
Sorry to interrupt. We have the building permits and housing starts coming up in 3 minutes. To be honest, I'm not expecting market to move crazily, because everything is driven by the war. So this is what we have to deal with. Economics, it does work for 2 minutes, and then the market just shakes it off and moves wherever the war drives the market.
Still getting high by eye, brother. When gold is so going high like this, I always find to see that video of you on US yen that you put on YouTube Shorts. Buy high, brother. Oh, that makes me my motivation so greedy.
Yeah, but it does work. Sometimes you need to do what no one else does. Most of the people go short on double tops and triple tops and all of these so-called technicals, but if economics and fundamentals say differently, would you rather believe in a drawing or something that they teach on at universities?
Perfect.
One minute 30 seconds. Position running 35 pips profit on gold, 3 pips on GJ. There's only 220 people in the stream. It's very, very weird. More soothing music. Okay, 1 minute for building permits. Actually 20 seconds to building permits. High building permits should push price down, lower, up, but anyway, the war is driving the market, and we're about to see in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the building permits are coming out. Minus 4.4. Deflationary. Market should go a little bit higher. Building starts higher than the previous one. Housing starts are actually quite high. The building permits are high. The data is very mixed. So I'm gonna stick with what do you stick with, guys, on this mixed data?
I'm stick with buy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, this is
Keep following
fucked
the
up.
trend.
The permits decreased, the starts increased in September, which is very odd for September. No new entry, data is very mixed. I'm gonna stick with the general market direction, which was up, which was bullish. Tomorrow and Friday I will be off, so in the Pavel speech you guys are gonna be alone.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Arslan.
Thomas, can you please explain why are you long on GJ? Because I think it's just consolidating.
Do you see the chart? That's why. It's two reasons. First is technical, closing in wedge. It may consolidate in the tip of the wedge a little bit, and it's going to break either to the upside or to the downside. My speculation, on one hand, it's because it's above the pivot. The second is, I think the Bank of Japan is going to allow the Japanese yen to weaken a little bit against the sterling, not against the dollar, but for the sterling. There may be intervention, of course, but I think we are safe until the previous level, which was 183,800. That is the reason.
Thomas, there have been a news of Bank of Japan intervention for months now, but they are not
for years,
reacting or even responding.
No, they're not.
They are very naughty guys.
They're not admitting that they're intervening in the market. There are news about intervention, but what are the news about intervention, Arslan?
that actually they might increase their interest rate?
They not. They won't. I mean, it's the same story for 32 years. Actually, we talked about Bank of Japan. With the death of Shinzo Abe, who was actually not in the monetary committee, but he was the advocate. He was the godfather of the free arrows policy. Do you know anything about the Bank of Japan monetary history, Arslan?
No, Thomas.
Do you know who's the head of monetary? Who's the head of central bank in Bank of Japan?
No, I don't know.
Do you know what happened in this year, in March? So, there was first of all last year, Shinzo Abe, who was the former prime minister, and previously I think he used to work in a central bank, but I may correct on this one, he was assassinated last year. With his assassination, I think it was Kuroda, the head of central bank, who was an advocate of the free arrows policy, which is the ultra-loose monetary policy. In March or April, his term is finished and Mr. Uoda have been elected to govern the Bank of Japan. Do you follow me, Arslan? Arslan?
Sorry, Thomas, I lost connection. I am back right now.
Alright, so I have to start again. So, what did you hear? Which part?
Nothing. I actually lost when you were asking about head of Central Bank of Japan.
Right. Shinzo Abe, former prime minister. He was killed, assassinated last year. Can you hear me?
Yes, I heard that.
Okay.
Yes, Thomas, I can hear.
He invented or he introduced the free arrows policy, which is ultra-low monetary policy in Japan for 30 years. Mr. Kuroda, who was the head of central bank, his term is finished in April. Then Mr. Uoda have been elected along with Miss or Mr. Suzuki. So many new guys came into the Bank of Japan, and actually there's a big noise about it that since Mr. Shinzo Abe, Abe's son, has been murdered, is out of the picture. Mr. Kuroda, who was an advocate of Mr. Shinzo Abe, again out of the picture. New blood came into, new kids are on the block. They want to change because they think that it's an insult that the Japanese yen is so weak. Anyway, so there was so many stories about that they want the Japanese yen. They want to increase interest rate, but nothing happened since that. There are some interventions, but the interventions didn't start last week nor last month. They actually started exactly 1 year and 3 weeks ago.
I think all the people you have mentioned belong to the same party, and the agenda of the party is obviously the same, and they'll follow the directions of the party. And I think that is why
who's the party?
There won't be any.
Where's the party?
I'm talking about the political affiliation of these members.
But what is the political affiliation of these members?
The one that is now governing the country. It is the same party that from which Shinzo Abe belonged.
Yeah, but you know, politics should not be mixed with monetary policy, and so politics is different from monetary policy. It's two different things. They're not governed by politicians. They're central bankers. But anyway, yeah, keep up the reading. I think it's a wonderful way to learn more about the monetary policy. GJ is running in minus 18 pips of profit. The wedge on the chart is closing in. Now let me show you trading view. So until we are in the tip of the wedge, you can expect this kind of consolidation. So right here there might be a retest of the pivot, moving sideways, and it's going to break to the downside or to the upside. It's completely normal. Price is going up and then down or up. Watch this space. Yields are still rising. Gold retraced back a little bit. Housing data was very mixed. We have 20 minutes for a new 4-hour candle.
Is there a video of his death? I didn't knew it. What? Of the Jinzo app.
Who? Shinzo Abe?
Yeah, there's a video of his assassination and stuff.
Yeah,
Crazy.
Shinzo Abe had been assassinated last year.
Yeah, I knew it, but I didn't saw the videos yet.
Oh, I wouldn't watch a video. Is there a video how they assassinated that guy?
Yeah, he was doing a speech on the street, and a guy came behind and made 2 shots and kill him on the second one. Was a little kid, like 20 years.
Guys, I'm gonna pull out from So I'm cussing for you. It was with Switzerland as well. No, actually Switzerland didn't raise interest rate. They removed the peg from the dollar because the Swiss franc was back to the dollar and for decades, and they removed the peg. That was a different story. They did something which was unimaginable, and actually many people lost their homes who had foreign currency mortgages, for example in Swiss franc, because the monthly payments have gone up by 500%. Would you imagine your mortgage going up for 500%?
Jesus.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it was a very sad time in Hungary. Alright, gold is just doing nothing. Japanese yen is getting a bit stronger. All pound weaker. I'm down 30 pounds, 100 pounds. Running in loss of 90 pounds. Oh, now in profit, 6 pounds. 30 pounds, 44 pounds.
Let's
Crazy.
go.
Crazy. Whoop, 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 110 pounds profit. Oh, I love it. 150, 140.
That 0.2 trades made the difference.
Yeah, but that's running in 245
Yeah,
pips.
yeah.
You don't need big lots to make money.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
patience
Good mind.
and knowledge about.
I saw a guy from here who made a trade, a really low account, 0.30 since NFP from until now. He made huge money.
No money, no punani.
0.20. You can open a 0.20 trade with I don't know, 120 euros or a good leverage with a good leverage.
Some accounts in
Right.
Africa, they giving you 5,000% leverage, 1 to 5,000. Easiest way to burn those nightas. Oh no.
This is elevator music, Tamas?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It's Portuguese. Beautiful.
It calms down, Luis, isn't it?
She's saying, "Don't look back." I'm gonna do what she said. Don't look
back to your running positions.
Yeah, yeah.
The Brazilian music.
Kasasha. Fuck. Oh. No. Minus 40 quid. Looks like the sterling has lost steam. It's losing power.
But gold is fighting.
Oh yeah.
Gold is fighting.
Oh, it's actually moving sideways. I'm gonna scalp a little bit.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Nice call, brother.
Well, yet to be confirmed. Mm-hmm. Two, 300, 400 pounds. Fuck you, gold. I should have taken 500.
The screen button I like.
You serious?
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Okay, I'm fine, guys.
I'm glad you're fine. You're leaving, kurva.
Yes, I'm leaving. Wishing all a nice weekend. We don't see us the next 2 days.
Stay blessed. Yeah, I'm gonna take the rest of the week off. I'm going to a conference to educate myself.
Okay,
Kurva, God is going up, kurva.
Yes.
Ah, kurva. Cześć.
Okay, goodbye, everyone.
Ciao,
Bye, brother.
Kakao.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, Adrian. Have a good weekend. Oh, it's only Wednesday.
Crazy. You guys are crazy saying that shit.
Well, if you work for yourself,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can start the weekend whenever you want, really.
Yeah, you don't have that thing on your mind, yes.
There's a saying that being rich is having money, being wealthy is doing whatever you want whenever you want. Of course, you need money for that. Look at that scalp, is going nicely, £500.
Nice.
Overall, 1,100. Should I move the TP from 1950? What do you think? TP to
Yes.
too.
It's better to move.
Yeah, but that means £1,300 profit that no one can take away.
Maybe you can trial the stop. It will be better.
No, I don't like it, because that is when entering manually too much into a position. It's not good for my psychology. So I try not to interfere too much with the positions. What do you think? Should I move the TP a little bit higher and make
Yes, Thomas, please do.
1,700?
Or could you close out with that?
No, I'm going to go with the money. Make the money,
Scalp.
take the money. That is my number one mantra. And this was a scalp position, guys. So it's better to take the money and walk away in profit. Did anyone enter the scalp buy?
The later one, yes. That one, no. Just one.
I entered. I actually didn't take any position the whole day, so I just entered when you take a quick scalp.
Good. Very good.
And it's going pretty good. 20 pips already.
Close it down out of the position. I would rather keep that 800 or 900 pounds, because a new 4-hour candle is about to open and we can have a major pullback. Ooh. Money in the house. Okay, Vivi is asking, Tomasz, I'm a beginner trader. What do you suggest me to learn first, fundamental or technical? It's hard to say. Fundamental is going to take you so much longer than technicals, but technicals isn't going to take you where fundamentals can take you. So maybe start both of them, but if you want to really follow the markets, you can start both. Try to analyze the charts, learn the technicals. Well, I should have kept the position. Would have been up £200. But anyway, read as many news as possible, as much news as possible, and try to learn about technical analysis as well, and try to combine them. But if you want to kickstart your trading and learn both technicals and fundamentals, I have a solution for you, which is actually joining the Alpha community. But there's about 200 people in the Zoom who are actual members. If you have any questions for these members, feel free to ask in the YouTube chat and they can answer.
My opinion, I think people need to understand technicals first, to understand the software, to understand the computer, the hardware, where they will understand trading and numbers. They need to I don't know, just simple things on your head about numbers and minus, plus, and stuff. And the economic will come away in a way because you will know and you want to know why the market moves. If you stick with it, of course.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it today. Starting the weekend now. It was a pleasure. Tomorrow is Jay Powell going to give a speech. So make sure you prepare for that occasion. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Thomas.
And thanks for saying nice things on live on YouTube. Anyway, see you later, alligator.
Thank you, Thomas.
See you later, Thomas.
Bye bye.
See you, brother.
Bye-bye. Those of you who want to, can you hear me on YouTube? If you would like to join the Alpha community, you can do so. If you want to learn fundamentals and technicals, I am a trained economist, so I have my bachelor and master's in finance and economics. I did work on actual trading floors. I did start in back office, moved to middle office, front office, sales, trading, buy side, sell side, but mostly on the trading floor. So if you want to learn from a professional who actually saw bonds, fixed income assets, equities, etc., and if you want to learn technicals as well, go to alphafx.eu. £200 lifetime membership, daily morning briefings 3 times a week, live trading 2-3 times a week. You can actually see my positions because I post it into Discord. So that's our Discord, members Discord, and I do post fundamentals, what moves the markets. We do have daily morning briefings. It's live. It's not some recorded shit. I do record it and upload it to the website, but I do it every single day live. So no one else does this. I guarantee out there, no one else does this live. 30 minutes in the morning. Yeah, go to alphafx.eu. There's only a few spaces less, 3 pro and 2 premium memberships. I'm going to close down the monthly because there's too many scammers coming into the group. Daily live trading. Read it out. If you have any question, drop me a message or ask any of the members in the members area. They will tell the truth. But anyway, thank you so much, guys. I wish you good luck and see you next week. Have a good day.